How to change lock screen and home screen for Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone. If you're struggling with the same issue, don't worry. We have brought some tips and tricks on how you can fix it. Firstly, go and tap on your settings. Now scroll down on your screen and tap on focus. Once you tap on focus, tap on Do Not Disturb. Now go and tap on the first option, which is called choose. When you tap on choose, it will now show you some options. You can easily choose anything that you want, or you can go and tap on gallery and choose any kind of pictures that you want. As you can see, I chose my own picture. Now, if I have to go and choose my pictures from gallery, I'll go and tap on gallery. Now go and tap on your photos. Once you tap on your photos, it will show you some pictures that you want to choose. Now kindly choose any pictures that you want and tap on add. Once you add, it will automatically set as a new lock screen and home screen for Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.